In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure an angle using a protractor. So we have an angle here, and this is our protractor. And let's start by looking at the vertex here of this angle. So the first thing you do is line up the point on the protractor with the point on the angle. And here is the point on the protractor. Here's the point on the angle. The next thing you do is you line up now this blue line with this blue line on the protractor. Okay? So let's do that, and it looks like this. So this is how you line it up. Make sure the dot lines up. This dot here lines up with this dot, and this line lines up with this line. Now we can always remember to start at 0. So this arrow is pointing here at 0. We will start at 0. And then for this angle, the arrow is pointing at 0 on the inner numbers. So we use the inner numbers to measure this angle. So see the green arrow. So you can see the inner numbers start at 0. And this is the numbers that we will be using to measure our angle, not these outer numbers. Okay? So now the pink arrow is pointing at 70 degrees. That is the measurement of our angle. And don't forget to use the degree symbol, because if you just put in 70, that doesn't mean 70 degrees. So you need to have the degrees there. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar. And you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link right to this video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.